I'm Keller at Driveline and I look after the commercial garage services. We do this to make sure that people who run fleets save the headaches of having to manage their vehicles and keep them on the road. We offer varied services such as preventative maintenance inspections, MOT preparation, which we like to tie in with our own MOT bay. We also like to cover you out on the road, so we offer 24/7 breakdown services and roadside assistance. We're at your beck and call any time of the day, any time of the year. We can also help with vehicles that have tail lifts on them by offering tail lift lola and weight testing and any tail lift repairs and maintenance that they require. With all of this in mind, we decided to make Driveline a one-stop shop for all your maintenance needs. So we also have a tacho calibration bay. We can do tacho head replacement and repairs. And we also have on-site brake testing and headlight alignment facilities to make sure that we can tie everything all in one go. And not only do we try and be a one-stop shop in the garage, but also in the office as well, by helping you with your scheduling and planning of your vehicle maintenance. Your compliance documents, we also offer an online portal to make sure that your compliance documents are available for you at all times. We also provide a tyre management service where we keep track of your tyre tread depth throughout your inspection history and make sure that we get the recuts done when needed and replacements done. When you drop your vehicle off for any inspections or maintenance, we can also provide you with a courtesy vehicle to make sure that you don't have to use more than one driver when dropping a vehicle off with us. With having a busy fleet like we do ourselves of our rental business, it's great to be able to keep the vehicles looking as good as they are maintained. We do this with our own commercial body shop by offering minor services to help keep the vehicle looking as good as it's maintained. When it comes to scheduling your fleet maintenance, we like to make sure that we reduce the downtime by tying in a lot of different maintenance together, i.e. an inspection and a tail lift. This way the vehicle is only off the road for one day rather than numerous days within the month to make sure that your vehicles are out running the roads as planned. These services we provide are there for anybody with a commercial fleet of any size or anybody looking to take on a commercial vehicle. You can contact us with the details that are on screen now.